Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Molten Motor Company. Today it's a lovely sunny day, not a cloud in the sky, which makes a real change. We're really proud to present this flamenco red Jaguar XJ6. It's a 1995 on an N plate, and it's finished with ivory full leather trim, and it's absolutely exceptional, as I'm sure you'll agree when you have a look round this car with me. We're just going to have a quick walk round and then we'll tell you exactly what we've been doing at it. It's an extremely low mileage car. It's a one-off car really. I mean, where do you get, I mean, they didn't make many X300s comparatively to you know, say Mercedes making E-Class or BMW making 7 Series or whatever. It was very low numbers for world market. So to have one in this condition when most of them were well used, I'm just going to get you to have a bit of a look at this car first. Then we'll go through all the bits and pieces that we've been doing at it to bring it up to our high standards. As everybody knows who watches our channel, our cars are exceptional examples. No excuses. There's no damage on this car. There's no scuffs, no scrapes, no dents, no scratches. Right, as you can see, the wheels look absolutely mint. Well, they were nice before, but they just had a couple of little watermarks on them, which I wasn't happy about. A lot of 99.9% of people would not have done them in regards to the prep of the car. But like I say, our cars are absolutely mint without exception. So we had them all refurbished inside and out, tyres off, proper acid dipped, stripped, cleaned and re-diamond cut. And obviously look at them now, they look absolutely mint. I mean, there's only one way to do the job, isn't there? And that's to do it properly. So what have we done mechanically at this car? Well, we put front shock absorber bushes at the top shocker bushes, comfort ones. We've fully serviced the car, which entails oil and filter using Castrol oils, air filter, set of plugs, new antifreeze, new brake fluid. It's had a new auxiliary belt, and the gearbox oil and filter has also been changed. The car drives spot on, and I think it's only covered around about either 22 or 23,000 miles from new, with full service history. And again, we've been through the car from front to back. Front wheel bearings have been out, cleaned, repacked with grease, adjusted again, put back in and adjusted. We've got a new wiper blade on it. It's had a new rear oversized number plate. It's had the full Dinitrol treatment underneath, which it looks absolutely beautiful now, all uniform finish, and that is a top quality Dinitrol. That ain't shuts or under seal or wax oil or whatever you want to call it. This is proper Dinitrol stuff. Very expensive, but well worth it. That will preserve the car for the next 20 years without even having to touch it. The benefit with Dinitrol is it never completely dries out, and it also travels as well. So it gets into all the little, creeps into all the little nooks and crannies. No damaged glass light lenses, no damaged plastic indicator lenses, no smashed fog lights, no cracks in the indicators at the front where they pick up the chips, no corrosion around any of the wheel arches at all. Let's just get you in closer so you can see. So we can't win today, can we? We've got beautiful sunshine, but of course it casts shadows and sort of blinds you. As you can see, no chips up the side of the sills or the wheel arches, no dents in the doors. Original hand painted coach line on that car from Jaguar. Never been painted, this car. Door mirrors intact, no cracks or damage to those. As you can see, if I go a bit lower, you can see the sill edge. It's still got all the spot welds on it, absolutely mint. All the outriggers are perfect. There's no corrosion on the car. Not one little bit of corrosion on the car. All the door handles work correctly. This car has been machine polished, and it's also had a ceramic coating on it. So the whole car's protected, ceramic coating on the paintwork, an old dinitrol treatment all underneath the arches, all behind the backs of the sills, all in the nuts and crannies, and everywhere underneath on the floor pans, etc. Fly there. No blibs and blobs near the back window where they go, but this car has been garaged all its life. In fact, it has got no MOT as we speak now, but we will be putting 12 months independent MOT on it. It'll go up the road and we'll get it MOT'd for the lucky new owner. But it's actually tip-top condition, this car. Should go straight through an MOT, no issues at all. That's how we prep them before they go into the showroom, because that's where it's going in next. But it actually has been off the road for 15 years, this car, in a private museum slash collection. No damage backlight lenses, no scuffs on bumpers, tailpipe's nice. We'll show you on the inside in a second. Again, no dints on this side or scuffs or scrapes, no blibs and blobs on the paintwork around the back window, no rusty marks on the dog legs or the arches. There's no corrosion on the car. You can take that as read from me. No scratches on the windows. This is an extremely rare car in this condition. The people in the know will know that. Right, let's have a quick look round. Just get the keys out of my pocket. There is 2 keys, 2 fobs. No, there's 3 keys, 2 fobs. Just pop the boot. There you go, look at that all round the boot apertures and the backs of the lights. All the seals nice and supple, beautiful. All the skin on the boot, perfect. They normally are all right on the boots, to be fair. Carpet's nice. You've got what looks like a brand spanking new spare wheel and tyre there. Still got the bobbles on the tyre. Boot floors absolutely lovely. It's had a brand new battery on this car. We fitted a brand new battery to it as well. I remind myself as we go around. I'll tell you what I did fit at great expense. I fitted new boot badges. They're about 50 quid a piece. They've just got a little bit of damp behind them. So we go to all the trouble to sort the car out. So this car, you could take it to a show and I'm sure it would win first prize. It certainly draw a massive amount of attention and probable purchase offers if you took it to a Jaguar breakfast meeting down at Gaydon or one of the Jaguar club events. It's forced to do. Right, well, I'm looking underneath the bonnet in a second, but I just want to show you how mint this car is. Look inside the door jambs. Look at the no kicks or scratches on the tread steps there. Look at inside all the door skins there. Leather's perfect. Wood veneers are perfect. No water damage or ingress behind the veneers. Look at that. Never even been sat in there, has it really? I wouldn't have thought. We'll just get in the car and show you. There you go, look at that. All proper original carpet mats. All the wood on the centre console's mint. Ashtray's nice, no lifting veneer on the ski slope or front ashtray. All the dash veneers, the door veneers are perfect. Interior mirror's perfect. Oh, I'll tell you what we did. We fitted a brand new headliner in this car. So that's a proper premium headliner, which if you brought it to us would cost you £650 plus VAT for the board, premium board, and us to fit it. So there's not that to do either. Like I say, we do all the jobs on the car, so you don't have to, but you get what you pay for. You know, we can all go and find a rusty, rotten old one of these for £5 that's got dints and scuffs and dings and dongs all over it. That's banging its head off on suspension. Even when Jags are knackered, they still drive better than most cars. So when you get an exceptional one like this, you can really, really tell how mint it is when you go down the road. It's like a magic carpet. Suspension's fantastic. Sills kick step there, perfect. Look at the driver's seat. Beautiful. No marks, creases or anything. It's done 22,852 miles. Look at that ski slope there. Proper walnut veneer in it. I'll just show you the headliner from here. Excuse the noise in the background. They're all busy working today. Go around this side. Look at the bonnet. Beautiful. Before anybody asked, the leaping cat was on the bonnet before we bought it. Somebody had already fitted that, and that looks a real early one as well. Again, door cards, door shuts, perfect. Look at that seat in there. So supple is the leather, and we've fed the leather with hide food after we cleaned it all. Of course, all the interior got a deep clean. Look at the carpets, the pile on them. It's like brand new. The carpets underneath are like brand new as well. And the overmats aren't all faded. And you can tell this car's been a garage car because the overmats aren't all faded or gone a funny colour like they do sometimes with the sunlight. All the gaskets all around the door handles, not all dropping to pieces. All the chrome trims on the outside are gorgeous. They're not popping off with corrosion behind them. Again, it's because it's been a garage car. It spent all its life inside this car. Whoever gets this car will just be delirious about it, because the more they look around this car, look in there, the more they look around this car, the more they'll realise what a bargain they've got. This is as near to new as what you're ever going to get. Right, let's go and pop the bonnet, have a look in there. No dents on the boot lid. I mean, look at the boot lid. Absolutely mint. Bonnet's the same. All the plastics with leather and the dash, all the top. Oh, what a combination. What a colour combination. There you go, look. Full toolkit there. Lovely. Like I say, it's all serviced. New headliner. Wheels done. Tyres are Pirellis, they're like brand new. Engine and gearbox fully serviced, headliner, yeah, everything, you name it. Underbody treatment with the Dinitrol, all done. Nothing to do at this car. Nothing at all to do. Antifreeze, brake fluid changed, new wiper blade. It's got about a quarter of a tank of petrol in it. All you've got to do is put petrol in this car and pamper it. It is a very, very special car. We're going to be looking very, very carefully at offers that we get for it. And people who sort of put their hand up to want to buy it. We want this car to go to a really good home. This is a really rare car. So, you know, it wants to be garaged. It wants to be kept inside. It wants to be loved. But yeah, there you go. Jaguar X300. 22,000 miles on it, a 3.2. Should we strike her up? You've got your two fobs and 3 keys there. You can hear this car running, guys. Runs like a sewing machine. Right, folks, if you're interested in this car, give us a shout on the usual number, 07759 938 395, or email us at sales@themoltonmotorcompany.com. Check out the video on YouTube. Check out our other videos on YouTube. Please like, share and subscribe our videos if you do watch them. It just encourages us to keep doing them, really. More content coming along really soon. Check out our Facebook page, because I think we've taken about 70 photographs of this car, and they'll all be on there. We can only fit 25 on the website. So yeah, there we go, folks. All serious inquiries welcome. This car is priced at $17,995. Absolute bargain for what you get. The luxury, the style, the colour combination, the condition, the way it drives. Part exchanges considered if they're low mileage, nice or excellent condition Jaguar or Daimlers. We're Jaguar and Daimler specialists, so we're not really that interested in taking other makes and models in particularly, unless something is really rare and it takes our fancy. But if you've got a Jaguar or a Daimler and it's very low mileage, in fantastic condition, but you just fancy a change, please give us a shout on the number I've given you. We can arrange an appointment and we can have a look at your car at the same time. When I say low mileage, I mean sub 40,000 miles or 45,000 miles. Anything above we won't be interested in. Right, thanks for watching the video, folks. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Like I say, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and to this, and like this video. Hit the bell notification and then you'll be notified of new videos and content coming along really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.